In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a web form with JotForm. We'll walk through creating a simple contact form from scratch, and along the way, I'll show you how the builder works so you can customize it however you like later on. First, log into your JotForm account. Once you're on your dashboard, look toward the top left of the screen and click the Create or Plus button. When the page reloads, you'll be asked what you want to create. Choose Form. JotForm will now give you a few different starting options. You can start from scratch, import an existing form, turn a document into a form, collect signatures, or use one of their templates. For this tutorial, we'll keep things simple and choose Start from Scratch. Next, you'll be asked to pick between a classic form and a card form. A classic form shows all your fields on one scrolling page, while a card form shows one question per step, almost like flashcards. For this example, select the classic form option. Give it a moment to load, and once the page reloads, you'll be inside the JotForm form builder. By default, your new form will already include a header at the top and a submit button at the bottom. You can customize these right away. To edit either one, click directly on the text and start typing, or click the small pencil icon if it appears to open more editing options, such as changing the label or formatting. If you decide you don't need a particular element, select it and click the trash icon that appears to delete it. To change the order of elements, hover over the one you want to move, grab the 6 small dots on its right side, then drag and drop it into a new position. Now let's add our own form fields. On the left side of the screen, click the plus icon to open the Elements panel. Here, you'll see different tabs like Basic, Payments, and Widgets, which group fields by type. We'll build a basic contact form as an example. From the basic elements, find the full name field, then drag and drop it onto your form. Below that, add an email field by dragging it under the name field. Next, add an address field and place it under the email field. Finally, add a phone number field and drag it beneath the address. At this point, you have a functional contact form. You can click each field to rename labels, mark them as required, or tweak settings. Feel free to explore other elements and widgets to expand your form's capabilities once you're comfortable with this basic setup.